This year, the BMW Group Classic collection received a unique addition, a BMW 1600 GT Convertible. Only 2 were ever made, this one being the last of its kind in existence. It's wonderful to receive such a special car from you. We're thrilled. This one is going to get pride of place in the collection. On behalf of BMW Group Classic, thanks again for your support and for the opportunity to add this gem to our collection. Projects like this are always a welcome change for the apprentices in Plant Dingolfing. You can really sense that our new first-year apprentices are raring to go on things like this. When do we get to see it? When can we start? And the combination of classic and up-to-date vehicles is also great, of course. The fact that their work is going to be on display here fills the young BMW Group associates with pride. When you see something like this car, something you made, sitting in a museum, yeah, it makes you proud. The part I enjoyed most was reproducing the cover for the soft-top compartment to precise specifications. We had to try out a few different leather thicknesses and so on, so it was quite a challenge. The best bit was seeing the before and after photos of the car. That afternoon, the team returned to Dingolfing, where the next classic car was waiting to be restored.